Thank you so much for joining me today. How you doing? Especially you, John. John sent in this video, how to outrun a helicopter on a GSXR 1000 Superbike by Guy Martin. Guy Martin is a former British motorcycle racer. And I guess he outruns a helicopter, which seems wild. I think this is during a race called the TT. I'm gonna have to look that up. That's gonna have to be a different video, but because I want to know about this race. I mean, if he's going that fast, I need to see more. But Guy Martin. Oh my God. They're getting air. Shit. Oh my. You know, I've never watched motorcycle racing at all. But this is pretty epic already, I have to say. Like, car racing is pretty dope. But the more danger you add to it, I'm sorry, I don't know why it is that way, but the fact that they're out there on two wheels going this fast, that makes it even more crazy to watch. Oh my God, scraping his knee on the pavement. Don't hit a pothole. He's just overtaking this guy. Looked like he's going 30 miles an hour faster than these other guys. What? Is he lapping them? Wow, this is stunning. Ooh, tight turn. At the same time, this is so dangerous. Man. There's probably been some crazy accidents on this race. Oh my God, when he gets to the straightaway, you just see him take off. How fast is he going? Everything is a blur except for him. Oh my God. What? He's almost sideways on the pavement. Like, looks like a video game, like it's 2D. He is laying down on the pavement. This is mesmerizing. Oh, there you we lost him. Oh my God, look how fast he's going. Bringing the context of the houses in right there really showed how fast this thing is going. Whoa. I have to just stop for a second to look at this roundabout type looking intersection. I've never seen a roundabout without anything in the middle. It's just markings. Is he just miles ahead of every other racer? Oh my God. He's gone. He's in the depths of the forest. Oh, he's already way out here, dude. The camera keeps losing him. Just did a 90-degree turn. He was going 150 miles an hour 2 seconds ago. Where'd he go? Camera dude, he went that way. Pretty sure he went... Oh no, here he is. Jesus. Jesus, man. Yo. That's how you outrun a helicopter right there, folks. I'm glad this dude, let's see, I hope he's still alive, genuinely. I mean, going that fast for that many years racing, he is still alive. That's a win right there. That was insane. I want to watch more. I don't know if I want to watch. I'm curious to see some accidents, but at the same time, I don't even want to. We'll see. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow.